In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Lucidchart. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your labels and notes fit neatly inside shapes without spilling over or getting cut off, keeping your diagrams clear and readable. First, open your web browser and go to lucidchart.com. This takes you to the Lucidchart home screen where your diagrams live. Make sure you're on the dashboard so you can get to your files quickly. Next, open a file from your recent work. On the dashboard, look for your recent document and click it to open. This is the fastest way to jump back into the diagram you are editing. Once it loads, give the canvas a second to render so the toolbar appears at the top. Now click on the text you want to wrap. You can select a shape that contains text or a standalone text box. When it's selected, you'll see a highlight or outline around it, and you should also see text editing options in the toolbar. If your text looks squished or is running past the edge of the shape, that's a sign wrapping or sizing needs attention. Look to the top toolbar and find the font size control. It usually shows a number like 12, 14, or 16. Click on that font size field to open its drop-down. This is where you can manage how large the text is, and more importantly for this task, how it behaves inside the shape. From that drop-down, choose Auto. Selecting Auto tells Lucidchart to automatically size the text so it fits within the boundaries of the shape or text box, and it will wrap lines as needed. After you pick Auto, you should immediately see your text reflow into multiple lines, staying inside the shape without overflowing. If the text was too large to fit before, it will scale down just enough to become readable and contained. A few helpful notes as you review the result. If you still see text touching the edges, try slightly enlarging the shape so Auto has more room to work. The text will maintain its wrapping while gaining breathing space. If the text looks smaller than you prefer, you can switch back to a specific font size at any time. Just remember that larger fixed sizes may cause overflow if the shape is tight. Also, ensure you've selected the exact text element you want, especially if your shapes are grouped. And that's it. Go to lucidchart.com, open your recent document, click the text, open the font size control at the top, and set it to auto. Your diagram will look cleaner and your content will be easier to read. Thanks for watching and happy diagramming.